Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Camila Cabello featuring Ed Sheeran with the song called Bam Bam Bum Bum. What a great combo from both. A great song there. So we will look at the chords first. We have 7 chords to go through, and we need to set our capo here on the first fret, and then after that we will go for the strumming and all that cool stuff. So let's start with the chords first. We have the G, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next chord will be D, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord is E minor. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next we have C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have this D chord but with an F sharp in the bass. So that is 2nd on E. Then muted A, I mute it with my index finger, which I'm holding here on the E string. I just lean it on top of the A string and get that sound. And then next will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Next chord will be B minor. So you need to put a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, means 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be G major 7. So that is 3rd on E string. The next will be muted, the A string. So I just lean my finger here, I'm using on the E string, on top of the A string, and get that sound. And the next string will be open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So those are the 7 chords. Okay, so let's start with the first verse. And we have triple chords here that works as a combo. We have 2 different combos. So we have the first one, the G, D, G. And the second one will be E minor, C, and E minor. Okay, and they have same but very specific rhythm. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. I'm going to show you the G, D, G. And the same goes for E minor, C, E minor. So okay, so that is the rhythm. So you're gonna play on the first G, down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up. Then you shift to D and play up, down, down. And back to G and play just down. Okay, so slowly that triple combo will be down, down, up, down, down, down. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. And the same goes with the E minor, C, E minor. You play that in the same way. Alright, so now we are ready for the first verse. You're gonna play the G combo, I will call it. The G combo for 2 rounds, so. Alright, then comes 1 round of the E minor combo. Okay. And then comes 3 rounds of the G combo, so. And then comes 1 round of the E minor combo. And after this E minor combo here, the last one here, we have G chord. You will play that for a total of 4 downs. I will play it down, 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 and then you shift to the D with the F sharp in the bass and play 1 down on that one. So for the G chord you play down, 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 and then shift to D and 1 down. So that is how the first verse ends. So just to summarize this first verse, you play 2 G rounds or 2 G combos, then 1 E minor, then 3 G combos, then 1 E minor, and then you end with this G down, 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 and on D F chord 1 down. So after this first verse, we come here to this first pre-chorus, and we have a new strumming pattern. The pre-chorus starts with E minor, so I'm gonna show you the strumming with this E minor. Sounds like this. Okay, so the easiest way here is to play with just downs. So it will be down, 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 down. So you can play like this or think like this. 1 down, short break, then 2 downs, short break, and then 3 downs. Okay, so that's how I think in my head. So 1, 2, and 3. That is the strumming there. All right, so you do that for E minor, then you shift and play the same for B minor, and then the same for C. And on the last chord D, you just do 1 down plus a pause, and that builds up for the chorus. So E minor, B minor, C, the same way, and then just 1 down on D. That will sound like this. And a pause. So great, that takes us to the chorus. Now we have another and last kind of new strumming here. It's starting with a C here, so we will demonstrate the new strumming with C. So it sounds like this. That is 1 round, okay? So we have down, down, up, up, down. Okay, so we can stop there. Down, down, up, up, down. And then you just end with 4 downs. Down, 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 down. So, down, down, up, up, down, 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 down. That is 1 strumming round. You will play 1 round for each chord. And the chord progression here will be C to D to G to E minor. Okay, that is 1 chord progression. You play that for 2 rounds. So down, down, up, down, 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 down for each chord. So let's go for these 2 rounds in the chorus, starting with C. C, D, G, E minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. All right, and that is the chorus, and that takes us to the post chorus. You'll play the same strumming here. The only difference here is that instead of the G, you had the same chord progression, but instead of the G here, you will play the G major 7. So the chords will be C to D to G major 7 to E minor. So you played that chord progression for another 2 rounds with the same strumming. That will sound like this. That was the post chorus. Now that takes us to the second verse, and that will be played in the same way as the first verse. The only difference here is that after the first E minor combo comes in the first verse 3 rounds of the G combo. Okay, but here it's actually just 2 rounds played, because the first round right after the E minor combo in the lyrics and on the surface there, you should play the G combo there, but it's just the vocal parts. Okay, so there's no playing there, just vocal. But yeah, it continues right after with the second and third kind of round of this G combo, and it goes on in the same way as the first verse. Okay, so that was the second verse, and after this second verse here comes a pre-chorus in the same way as it did for the first verse. This time you only play 1 down for each chord, so the same chords, E minor, B minor, C, and D, but just 1 down per chord here. After that comes the second chorus, played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second post chorus, played in the same way as we just learned this first post chorus. After this one, post chorus number 2, comes a bridge part. Okay, so for this bridge part in the lyrics, I don't really know, because that's Spanish, and yeah, I don't speak that. But yeah, it's a bridge part. We have only 2 chords that goes back and forth, G to C. Okay, so G, C, you do that for 4 rounds. You will play the same strumming as you play in the chorus, so that is down, down, up, down, 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 down. You play 1 strumming round for each chord, 1 on G, 1 on C. That is the chord progression. You do that for 4 rounds. So that means G, C sounds like this. And so on. 4 rounds on that. And that takes us to the third chorus, played in the same way as the other choruses. And the third post chorus, again, played in the same way as the other post choruses. And that pretty much ends this song, because after this one comes an instrumental part of the chords C, D, G, and E minor. You play that for 2 rounds in the same way as you play the choruses, and that will end Bam Bam by Camila Cabello and Ed Sheeran. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please show me a thumb up and even subscribe if you haven't yet. It helps me a lot. So see you soon, guys. Thank you for watching, and play tuned.